Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Welcome to Online Teaching Academy Ekkalaiva. Now I am going to discuss exercise 1F 6th sum. Listen children. The temperature at noon was 10 degrees Celsius above 0. Got it? 12 noon, 10 degrees Celsius above is what? 0. So 10 degrees Celsius above 0. If it decreases at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour. Okay, each hour it is reducing the decreases means what? Reducing 2 degrees Celsius until we have to calculate for midnight. Got it? At what time would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below 0? As well, what would be the temperature at midnight? So here we are going to find out for the two questions. One is for 8 degrees Celsius below 0 level. We are going to find out at which time it is to be calculated, that we are going to find out, as well as what would be the temperature at midnight. So we are going to see that the temperature in the midnight how much. So we have to calculate for the two questions. Shall we do this sum children? Listen. So first we will make a tabular column. What is it? At 12 noon, what is it? 10 degrees Celsius, which is given in the question. At 12 noon is what? 10 degrees Celsius. And after 12 noon, what is that? AM. Once the AM completed 12 noon, as well 12 noon starts means what is the next one is what? We can say that what? 1 PM. Got it? And I am going to reduce what? 2 degree Celsius per hour. So for that 12 noon after it is what? 1 PM. 10 degrees Celsius. When I reduce it, what it become? 8 degrees Celsius. 1 PM after 1 hour is what? 2 PM. So I am reducing 2 degrees Celsius. Got it? Next, after 2 PM, what is that? 3 PM. 6 minus 2 is what? 4 degrees Celsius. Each hour I am reducing the 2 degrees Celsius. 3 PM after what is that? 1 hour? 4 PM. So which is what? 2 degrees Celsius. And 5 PM. 2 minus 2 is what? 0 degrees Celsius. Once the 0 degree comes means it will show the negative. So 6 PM is what? Minus 2 degrees Celsius. Can you clear children? I am going to calculate up to which? I am going to calculate up to the midnights. From the 12 noon to midnight I am going to calculate. So 6 PM after what is that? 7 PM. 7 PM is what? Minus 4 degrees Celsius. And 8 PM is what? Minus 6 degrees Celsius. 9 PM minus 8 degrees Celsius. 10 PM minus 10 degrees Celsius. 11 PM minus 12 degrees Celsius. 11 PM after is what? Your midnight. That is what? 12 is what? Midnight. So here also I am going to reduce the 2 degrees Celsius. So minus 14 degrees Celsius. Can you clear this children? Now listen. Now when I am coming to the answer, after completing this tabular column, I am coming for the question. See, what time would the temperature 8 degrees Celsius below the 0? See, this is your 0. Below the 0, 8 is what? What is that? This is your answer. Got it? So at what time? 9 p.m. Can you clear this? So the answer for the first question is what? 9. Below the 0 means what? The Celsius is in the negative. So for that 8 degrees Celsius when it comes at 9 p.m. As well I am going to find out the answer for the temperature at midnight. I am going to find out. See at midnight what is that? Minus 14 degrees Celsius is there. Shall I write the answer for this, children? So time when it would be 8 degrees Celsius below 0 is equal to 9 p.m. Next, one more answer. Temperature at midnight is equal to minus 14 degree Celsius. Can you clear this, children? Shall we move on to the next sum? See the seventh sum. Here, multi-story building has 25 floors. How many floors are there? 25 floors above the ground level. Okay. Above the ground level, which is how many floors are there? 25 floors are there. Each floor height is what? 5 meter. Got it? And it has 3 floors. How many floors? 3 floors in the basement. So each of the height is what? 5 meter. Got it? A lift in the building moves at the rate of 1 meter per second. See, 1 meter, a lift in the building moves a rate of 1 meter per second. So 1 meter is equal to 1 second. Got it? If a man starts from 50 meter above the ground means how long it will take him to reach the second floor of the basement. So each floor of the height they are given, which is 5 meter. I am going to calculate for the second floor of the basement. Okay, basement to the first floor and first floor to the second floor. I am going to calculate. Shall we calculate this, children? Listen. Solution. Lift starts from, where is the lift starts? Lift starts from is equal to 50 meter above the ground. Above the ground. So time taken to cover 1 meter is equal to 1 second, which is given in the question. 1 meter per second. Now 1 meter 1 second means 50 meter is equal to how much? 50 second. Okay. Now lift should be should reach. What is the given question? Second floor of the basement. Height of the floor. What is the height of the floor? Height of the floor in the basement is equal to 5 meter. So height of a second floor in the basement is equal to 2 into 5, which is what? 10 meter. So time taken to cover 10 meter is equal to 10 seconds. The first step, I calculate the 50 meter is equal to 50 seconds, as well as I will calculate the height of the second floor in the basement. I calculate. Now I am going to add this 50 second as well as the 10 second together. When I add, I can get the total time taken by the lift. Got it? When I calculated this, I can find out the total time taken by the lift. Listen. Total time taken by the lift is equal to, add this to, what is this, 50 second and 10 second, just you add 50 plus 10, which is equal to 60 second. I can write 60 second in minute, which is what? 1 minute is equal to 60 second. Now you can write the answer. Total time taken. Total time taken by the lift is equal to 1 minute. Can you understand this, children? Can you understand? So first I calculate for 1 meter is equal to 1 second, which is given in the question. I am find out for 50 meter 50 second. Afterwards I am going to find out the height of the floor in the basement. So it is a 2 floor. So I am going to multiple by what? 2. Got it? So 2 into 5, which is what? 10 meter. Here also 10 meter means I know already that 1 meter is equal to 1 second, which is given in the question. So 10 meter is equal to what? 10 second. Now I am going to calculate that 50 second as well as 10 second. I have to add. If I add the 2, I can get the total time taken by the lift. Any doubt, children? Shall we move on to the next one? See the 8th question. At a target shooting stall in a fair. Okay, some shooting stall in a fair, or for every chance a person got, he was paid a rupees 15. If a chance means we have to pay for a rupees 15. Okay. If he hit the target, okay, super. If he hit the target means he want to pay 15. And would have to pay rupees 5 to the stall keeper if he missed. Please try to understand the question, children. Once if he hit means he have to pay rupees 15. Suppose the chance is missed means he want to pay for the shopkeeper how much? Rupees 5. Okay. How much money did Manish make if he shot a total of 25 times and missed 5 times? So totally he get a chance 25 times. In that 25 times, 5 times he missed. So the balance 20 times what? What he has done? He hit. Can you understand? The total is what? 25. 5 is what? Let me see here. So the total is 25 and missed. How much he missed? 5. So what we have to do? And hit is equal to what? 25 minus 5, which is what? 20 times. So the first step, I have to multiple 20 with 15. Okay. Next I have to, what I have to do? This 5 with the first step, what I have to do? Listen children. 20 with 15 I am going to multiple and missing what? 5. So this 5 into 5 I have to multiple. After multiply this two, I am going to subtract because the total money earned by Manish, that I am going to find out. So what I have to do? How much of hit, which is 20. So I multiple with 15. And how much he missed, which is 5, that I have to multiple with 5 because, or if he missed means only he want to pay only 5 rupees to the shopkeeper, stall keeper or a shopkeeper. So that too I have to multiple. After multiplying, I am going to subtract. Got it? So earned amount minus how much he lost, that amount I am going to subtract. After subtracting, I can know that how much he earned. Can you understand this children? Let me move for the steps. Listen. Solution. Money earned by and of he shoot the target, which is what? Rupees 15. Next, money when he missed the target. How much he want to pay? Rupees 5. Okay. Total number of times is what? Total number of times is equal to Manish shoot is equal to 25 times. So number of shoot missed, which is what? 5. So number of times he hit correctly. Number of time he hit correctly is equal to 20. See, these are the things which is given in the question. Just I am going to find from where? From number of times he hit correctly, because he missed 5 times. The total number of times shoot was 25. If he missed 5 means what? The balance is what? 20 he hit correctly. So from this, these are the 4 steps which is given in the question. From here I am going to find out. Can you clear this? Now I am going to calculate for money earned. Listen. Money earned by Manish by hitting correctly. $20 into ₹15, which is what? Rupees 300. Next, money lost by Manish by missing, which is what? 5 into ₹5, which is what? 25 rupees 25. Now money earned by Manish. I am going to find the difference. Money earned by Manish is equal to 300 minus 25. So when I am subtracting 300 minus 25, what is the answer? Rupees 275. So finally write the answer. What is that? Money earned by Manish is equal to rupees 275. Can you clear this, children? So shall we move on to the next sum? Listen, children. A person earned rupees 400 per day. Each day is earning a rupees 400. Out of this means what? Out of this 400, he spent rupees 225 per day. I am going to calculate savings for the month of June. So savings means what? Savings is earning minus spent is a saving. Can you understand? Saving, how can I calculate a saving? Saving is equal to earning minus spent, which is what? A saving. Now listen, children. Okay, what is the earning? What is the earning here? Rupees 400. How much they spend? Rupees 225. Let me subtract this 400 minus 225. This was 10 and this become 9 and this become what? 3. So 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 2 is 7. 3 minus 2 is what? 1. So each day he is saving how much? Rupees 175. So I am going to find out the month of June means I am going to find out 30 days, because a June month number of days is what? 30. So savings for one day is equal to rupees 175, and savings for 30 days rupees 175 into 30. Why? Because of June is equal to 30 days. So I am going to calculate for the Month of what? June. Can you clear this? June month. So June you are having how many number of days? 30 days. Just you multiple this 175 with 30 in the rough column. Just you drag that 0 to down. 3 5s are 15, 1 carry over. 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 1 is what? 20. 2 and 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 2 is what? 5. So totally he is saving how much? 5,250. Got it? Got it, children? So now I am going to write the answer. Savings made by the person in the month of June. The month of June I can write, or in the 30 days I can write. So in the month of June is equal to, don't forget to write the rupee symbol because you will lose a half a mark. So 5,250. Got it, children? Thank you, children. We will see in the next class.